just finished another license plate guitar build, and I'd like to show that to you today. But before I do, I want to offer my sincere apologies to my good friends Bubba Hogue and Jim Burt. When I was asked to do this build, I'm not really sure what came over me. I think maybe it was just a moment of weakness. You know, the temperature's been really hot here in Georgia the past few weeks, so I guess I just wasn't thinking clearly. But anyhow, this is the build. This is a license plate guitar made from one of my license plate boxes that I make with the help here of my Gatton CNC. This guitar has a really beautiful cherry neck. It has an oak fretboard, which this is actually some oak that I got from some pallet wood that I planed down, and this had some nice figure on it, so I decided to use a piece of that. It's got 21 frets. It also uses a jumbo 0 fret right here, and I have to give a big shout out to my buddy Rusty Taylor for providing me with a very cool string tree right there. So thank you very much for that, Rusty. This guitar has sealed chrome tuners, chrome strap buttons. It's got a floating bridge made from oak. It's also got a oak tailpiece, and the scale on this is 25 inches. It also has a single coil pickup mounted right about in here under the plate, and I know you can't see it, but I'm going to show a picture of it right about now. So with that single coil pickup, of course, you've got your volume and tone controls here on top. You've got your jack here on the bottom, so you can plug it into an amp, crank it up, and get as loud and dirty as you want to with this thing. But playing these things acoustically, they almost have, because this license plate resonates so well, it has kind of almost a banjo twangy sound to it that I really like. I think my favorite feature of this guitar is the custom fret markers, even though in this case it happens to be the wrong letter. So that is my most recent license plate guitar build. Now, if you'd like for me to build a custom one-of-a-kind guitar for you, whether it be a license plate or something else, feel free to contact me down below at the links in the video description. If you'd also like to find out how to get your very own bobblehead, I have links down in the video description for that. And also make sure you use the discount code BOBBLE66 to get an extra 10% off. So check that out. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button and feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to follow along with these guitar builds of mine, be sure and hit the subscribe button, and also hit the little bell so you'll get the notification every time I upload a new video. And as always, thank you very much for watching.